Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a bunch of random pantry meals I've been making over the last few weeks, I think it's been. Starting out, we've got some pizza. This is a crust that I'm pretty sure I picked up at Walmart. It's a really thin crust, and we really like it. It turns out crackery. I think it's great. It stores in the pantry, so it's nice, but I found it in the pantry, so I figured I'd use it. Next, we have chicken noodle soup. So I have broth and chicken that when I made the broth, I had the chicken left over. So I made some chicken noodle soup. I wanted to use up some of those carrots too. Whipped up some bread because you can't have soup without bread. That looks so delicious. The kids love dumplings in their soup, so I load that up with dumplings, and this was a great meal. Up next, it was burrito night. This is a great way for me to clear out random cheeses, old sour cream, cans of tomato or fresh tomato, lettuce, anything that's kind of floating around. This kind of cleans a lot of that stuff up. So this is always a fan favorite too. The kids love burritos. My husband loves burritos. We are in fact having burritos tonight. Bleh. I don't know why I do things. Don't ask. This was a pizza that I was trying out for a freezer pizza, and I cooked this in the air fryer. It was really delicious. It looks burnt, but it wasn't. It just got really dark, but it was really nice and crispy. This was chicken. We've got a lot of like breaded chicken in our freezer, and so I was trying to use that up. So I think either I had the fries or I bought the fries, and then we usually have broccoli around, so this was an easy meal to throw together for that. On this night, I had bought that maple vanilla whipped cream. And so to use that, because I don't know why I bought it, I think it was at Aldi and we wanted to try it. So to use that, I did a waffle night and the kids really liked this. It was a lot of fun. Enchiladas and enchilada soup are perpetual requests in my house. So basically, I could probably make those every single week and they would get eaten up and I wouldn't have leftovers. So this night was enchiladas, and now we've got enchilada soup that needs to be made. So this was just easy. Throw in the rice. I mixed together beans and refried beans, sauce, cheese, whatever I had. This is kind of one of those where I throw a lot of different things in, and the recipe isn't the same every time, but they always turn out really good. This time I used green sauce, which I really like. Nobody complained, so I would use it again. I usually use the red sauce though, but these turned out really good. They're so gooey and yummy and saucy. I love them. This next one, we are doing mashed potatoes. My little guy wanted to help peel potatoes so bad, so I am showing him how to peel potatoes, and he thinks it's really cool. Here, now turn it around. Do that side.
Yeah. Okay. So this is that. Get out of the way, you.
Go slow.
Let's go wrapped around.
He's funny. I love my kids. So when I make mashed potatoes now, I always add in cauliflower. It doesn't change the flavor because I don't use a ton of it, and nobody has noticed or mentioned anything yet. My husband and my older daughter know that I do it, but the little ones don't know I do it, so I'm gonna just keep doing it. Anywho, I had the cauliflower in the freezer that I needed to use up, and then I needed to use up the potatoes, and then this cheese has been in my freezer forever. My husband, he cut it, and I was like, hey, I want some footage of that. So that was him, like, doing an instant replay. But this cheese I've had in my freezer forever, and I didn't know what to do with it because we're not huge fans of buffalo chicken. So we decided to make sliders out of it. So that's what this night was. We did, this is breaded chicken again. I cooked it, and then we chopped it all up, and we put it on these sliders with this buffalo wing jack cheese, I think it was called. I don't even know where I got it. Like, I don't know. I see weird stuff in the store sometimes and I just buy it and I don't really think about it. But I do now. I'm getting better about that. I don't do that so much, but these sliders turned out okay. We weren't huge fans about the buffalo one. The other ones were just roast beef and provolone, and those are always good. And then whatever this topping is, I just looked it up on the internet and picked one. I don't remember which one I even picked. It was all right. I really like the poppy seeds in it. And it's got Dijon mustard, I think. I think most of them have Dijon mustard. But I do think that we probably should have put more of the topping on so it kind of soaked into the bread a little better. But other than that, we really like sliders. It's a nice, fun meal to do. And then these potatoes are always really good. So this night was a hit as well. Here are the sliders done and crispy. They're so gooey and good. Anywho, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Maybe this gave you some inspiration. Maybe I was just your company for a few minutes, but I appreciate you being here, and I hope to have you here again next time, and I will catch you later. Bye!